Hello students, welcome you all in e-learning. Today we are going to see about standard 9 subject Sanskrit and the 8th chapter by the name Kashayanam Code Apradha. Now here let me see the word meaning of the title. In that Kashayanam, the word Kashayanam means saffron and Ko Aparadha. Ko, here the word Ko indicates what and Aparadha means fault. So what is the fault of saffron clothes? This is the translation of the title, or we can say the meaning of the title is what is the fault of saffron clothes. Now let me see the introduction part of the lesson. Kaka Saheb Kalelkar worked with Mahatma Gandhi for a long time and had the opportunity to stay with him, to travel with him and to exchange ideas with him. Now here they are talking about Kaka Saheb Kalelkar. Kaka Saheb Kalelkar is one of the freedom fighter, and he worked with Mahatma Gandhi, who also worked for India's freedom. Now Mahatma Gandhi and Kaka Saheb Kalelkar had good time with each other. They spared long time and had opportunity to stay with each other, to travel with him and to exchange ideas with him. Of the many incidents of this period, Kaka Saheb Kalelkar has, because of this literary proseness, gives aesthetic form of many of them. Of this, many provide us with inspiration even today. So whatever time Kaka Saheb Kalelkar has spent with Mahatma Gandhi, whatever he has exchanged ideas with him, whatever time, quality time they have spent with each other, that moments, that events, that incidents Kaka Saheb Kalelkar has written, they have given it literary form to that ideas, to that time, to that events. Now here also one such interesting incident which has written by Kaka Saheb Kalelkar in Gujarati has been translated into simple Sanskrit and edited and presented here as a lesson. So further they want to say us here that this lesson was taken from Kaka Saheb Kalelkar's work. It was written in Gujarati. Afterwards, it was translated into simple Sanskrit, and it is by editing it presented in this lesson. Okay. The main moral of this story is that one should not allow one's position to become an obstacle in the process of social service. Here they want to say us that many times it happens that when people are having a good position, right, at that time they hesitate to do social work. They feel that as if their position is becoming obstacle for doing social work. But here the moral of the story is that one should not allow one's position to become an obstacle in the process of social service. Moreover, all of us should also realize that there is no permanent relationship between religion and attire. Moreover, all of us should also realize that there is no permanent relationship between religion and attire. Religion is a different thing, and your attire, your looks is also one of the different thing. So religion and attire, both of are not permanent, and it is not having permanent relationship. So here our introduction part is over. Let me move further for the lesson in detail. Now let us see the lesson in detail. Mahatma Gandhi Mahodaya Swatantraya Andolan Prarabdha. Mahatma Gandhi Mahodaya. Here the word Mahodaya, in that Mahan Udaya Yashya Sa. It is of compound, right? It is made out of compound. Mahatma Gandhi Mahodaya means Mahatma Gandhi, the great Mahatma Gandhi. स्वातंत्र्य आंदोलन, स्वातंत्र्य आंदोलन मीन्स फ्रीडम मूवमेंट, फ्रीडम मूवमेंट प्रारंभतः, प्रारंभतः मीन्स has started. So in the very first line they wants to say us that Mahatma Gandhi the great started the freedom fighting movement. Mahatma Gandhi the great started the freedom fighting movement. Now let me see the word meaning. Mahatma Gandhi Mahodaya is the name of a person, and Swatantriya Andolanam, Swatantriya Andolanam, Andolanam means freedom fighting movement or freedom movement. Freedom movement प्रारंभ means started. Now here in the very first line they wants to say us that Mahatma Gandhi the great started freedom movement. Mahatma Gandhi the great freedom movement. Here in this word Swatantriya Andolanam, there is one compound Swatantrya Andolanam. It is made out of Sasti Tatpurus compound. Sasti Tatpurus compound. Now let me see more further. Asya Andolanasya निखिलोडपि व्यवहार प्रारंभेषु दिवसेषु साबरमती आश्रमे एव प्राचलत. अस्य आंदोलनस्य, अस्य means of this and आंदोलनस्य means movement. Of this movement निखिलोडपि means whole, निखिलः means whole and api means also. Vyavhara means dealings. Okay, we will take here as a conduct also. Prarambheshu in the beginning days. Divsheshu means days. Sabarmati ashram in the Sabarmati ashram. Eva prachalata means went on. So first of all they are telling us that Mahatma Gandhi the great started the freedom fighting movement. In the very first time they told us that Mahatma Gandhi the great started freedom fighting movement, and next time they are telling us that the whole conduct, the whole dealings of the movement went on from Sabarmati ashram itself in the early days, in the beginning days. So यहाँ पर वो कहना चाहते हैं कि महात्मा गांधी महोदय ने साबरमती आश्रम से ये इंडिया की फ्रीडम फाइटिंग मूवमेंट की लड़ाई शुरू की थी. सो लेट वी सी अस्य आंदोलनस्य ऑफ दिस मूवमेंट. वर्ड मीनिंग अस्य आंदोलनस्य, अस्य निखिलोडपि initial, in the beginning, in the beginning, in the beginning days, or in the initial days, in the beginning or in the initial days, दिवसेषु प्रारंभेषु दिवसेषु. So in the initial days or in the beginning, Sabarmati Ashram. Sabarmati Ashram means from the Sabarmati Ashram. Means in the Sabarmati Ashram. एवं प्राचलति. प्राचलति means went on. Now see, here they wants to say us that Mahatma Gandhi the Great started freedom fighting movement. Not only that, the whole movement, the whole conduct of the freedom movement went on from the Sabarmati Ashram itself in the early days, in the beginning days, in the early days. The whole movement is started from the Sabarmati Ashram itself. एकस्मिन् दिवसे स्वामी सत्यदेवः आश्रमम् आगच्छत्. एकस्मिन् दिवसे means one day Swami Satyadeva, it's a name of a saint. Swami Satyadeva ashramam, in the ashram, agacchata, came, right? So one day Swami Satyadeva came to ashram. One day Swami Satyadeva came to ashram. Now let me see ekasmina divase. One day, Swami Satyadeva, name of a person, one of the character of this chapter. Swami Satyadeva ashramam agacchata. Comes to the ashram. Now see, we have seen that one day Swami Satyadeva came to ashram. One day Swami Satyadeva came to ashram. स देशस्य स्वातन्त्र्यार्थं कार्यरतस्य गांधी महोदयस्य कार्येण अतीव प्रभावितः प्रसन्नः चासीत्. स means he, देशस्य of the countries स्वातन्त्र्यार्थ for freedom. कार्यरत means busy or engrossed. Gandhi Mahodayasya of Mahatma Gandhi karyena by work. Ativa means very much. Prabhavitah means impressed. Prasanna means happy. Charshit, the word charshit, here sandhi is there, cha plus ashit. So they wants to say us that he was means Swami Satyadeva. He was very impressed and happy by the work of Mahatma Gandhi. He was impressed and happy by the work of Mahatma Gandhi, who was engrossed in the work of country's freedom, who worked for or busy in the country's freedom. Now let me see the word meaning. Saha महोदयस्य of Mahatma Gandhi. कार्येण means by the work. अतीव प्रभावितः. अतीव means very much. And प्रभावितः means impressed. Impressed. Charship. Ch plus aship. Here ch plus aship. And he was. Now we have seen that Mahatma Gandhi the Great started freedom fighting movement, and the whole dealings of the movement went on from the Sabarmati ashram itself in the beginning, in the early days. One day Swami Satyadev visits ashram. He came to ashram and he was very happy. And impressed by the work of Mahatma Gandhi, who was engrossed in the freedom fighting movement, who was engrossed in the work for freedom fighting for country. So Gandhi Mahodaya kathayadaham. So Gandhi Mahodaya kathayadaham bhavatah ashrame pravesham nivasham cha ichchami. Saha means he. Gandhi Mahodaya kathayadaham. Here in this particular verse, sandhi is there, in which Gandhi Mahodaya plus akathayam plus aham. Bhavatah means yours. Ashrame, in the ashram. Pravesham means entry. Nivasam means to residence or to live. Ichchami means wish. He told to Mahatma Gandhi. Now he said to Mahatma Gandhi, I wish to enter and stay in your ashram. See, here when Swami Satyadev came in the ashram, he was impressed with the work of Mahatma Gandhi. He was happy by seeing Mahatma Gandhi who is engrossed in India's freedom, or who is engrossed for the work of country. He was that much impressed that he said to Gandhi that I wish to enter and stay in your ashram. Now let me see the word meaning. Saha means he. We have already seen this word. And Gandhi Mahodayaya akathayam aham. See, sandhi is that Gandhi Mahodayaya plus akathayam plus aham. So he told to Mahatma Gandhi Bhavatah means yours, and ashrame means in the ashram. Pravesham means entry, and nivasam means to stay, or we can say residence. Cha ichchami. Cha already we स्वतंत्रतायै कार्य कर्तुं ममापि महती इच्छा वर्तते. Here देशस्य of countries स्वतंत्रतायै, स्वतंत्रतायै means for freedom, karyam means we have already seen work, kartum to do, mamapi, mamapi sandhi is here, mama plus api me also or I also, mahati ichha, mahati ichha, here also sandhi is there, mahati plus ichha, vartate, vartate have, so I have also a great desire, I have also a great desire to work for the freedom of the country, to work for the freedom of the country. Now let me see the word meaning. Deshasya means of the countries. Deshasya of countries. And Swatantrataye for freedom. Kartum, karya kartum, kartum means to do. And mahati ichha, vartate, mahati ichha means great desire, vartate means have. Now you may note down the words in your notebook. In the very first paragraph we have seen Mahatma Gandhi the Great has started freedom fighting movement. The whole conduct of this movement went on from the Sabarmati ashram in the initial day, in the beginning days. One day Swami Satyadev came to the ashram. He was very happy and impressed with the work of Mahatma Gandhi, who was busy engrossed in the work of country. He said to Mahatma Gandhi that I wish to enter and stay in your ashram. I wish to enter and stay in your ashram. I have also a great desire. To work for the freedom of the country. Now after listening the words of Swami Satyadev, what was the reply of Mahatma Gandhi? Let me see in detail. सत्यदेवस्य प्रस्तावं गांधी महोदय स्वीकृतवान्. सत्यदेवस्य प्रस्तावं, प्रस्ताव means proposal. सत्यदेवस्य of Satyadeva's प्रस्तावं means proposal. गांधी महोदयः, महात्मा गांधी स्वीकृतवान्. स्वीकृतवान् means accepted. Now let me see the word meaning. सत्यदेवस्य of Satyadeva प्रस्तावं proposal गांधी महोदय स्वीकृतवान्. स्वीकृतवान् means accepted. And सत्यदेवस्य प्रस्तावं गांधी महोदय स्वीकृतवान्. So Mahatma Gandhi accepted Satyadeva's proposal. Whatever he said that I wish to enter into the ashram and I wish to stay here and I want to work. I am having a great desire to work for the freedom of the country. So whatever he has put proposal, that is accepted by Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi accepted the proposal which is given by Satyadeva. गांधी महोदय अकथयत साधु स्वागतम अत्र भवतः. गांधी महोदय अकथयत means says, साधु fine, स्वागतम अत्र sandhi is there, स्वागतम plus अत्र you are welcome here. Bhavatah. Bhavatah means yours. And Mahatma Gandhi said, fine, you are welcome here. Mahatma Gandhi said when he heard the proposal of Satyadeva, afterwards he said, you are welcome here. So, sadhu, let me see the word meaning. Kathayata means say. Sadhu means fine. And swagatam atra. You are welcome. You are welcome. Bhavatah. Yours or you. Now Mahatma Gandhi accepted Satyadeva's proposal. Mahatma Gandhi said, if fine, you are welcome here. Fine, and you are welcome in the ashram. Ashramodayam bhavatah eva kintu ashram praveshat पूर्वं भवतः काषायण वस्त्राणां त्यागः करणीयः. आश्रमोदयं भवतः एव किन्तु आश्रम प्रवेशात् पूर्वं भवतः काषायण वस्त्राणां त्यागं करणीयम्. In the ashramodayam, ayam ashram, in this ashram, bhavatah, yours, eva, only, kintu means but, ashram praveshat, coming into ashram, purve means before. Now before coming into ashram, bhavata means by you, kashayan vastranam of saffron clothes, tyagah means giving up, karaniyah means should be done. So here Mahatma Gandhi said to Swami Satyadev that you are welcome here. This ashram is yours. This ashram is surely yours. Ashramodayam bhavatah. This ashram is yours, surely yours. But before entering in ashram, giving up saffron clothes, this is the advice which is given by Mahatma Gandhi to Swami Satyadev. He says that this ashram belongs to yours. This ashram is surely yours. But before entering in ashram, giving up saffron clothes should be done. Giving up saffron clothes should be done. Means you should give up your saffron clothes before entering in the ashram. See, let me go through the word meaning. Ashramodayam bhavatah. Bhavatah means already we have seen yours, and bhavatah means this ashrama is surely yours. Kintu, here the word eva means this, and kintu means but. Ashram praveshat purvam means before coming into ashram. Before coming into ashram, bhavatah, by you. Purva means before, right? Bhavatah means by you. Kashayan vastranam giving up करनीय should be done. Now here we have seen that Mahatma Gandhi is accepted Satyadeva's proposal. Not only that, but Mahatma Gandhi said to Satyadev that you are welcome here. You are welcome here. The ashram is surely yours. The ashram is surely yours. But before entering into the ashram, you have to giving up your saffron clothes. You should be give up your saffron clothes. गांधी महोदयस्य आदेशं श्रुत्वा आश्चर्यान्वितः स्वामी सत्यदेव मनसि अकुप्यत. गांधी महोदयस्य of Mahatma Gandhi आदेशं means instruction, श्रुत्वा means by listening, आश्चर्यान्वितः means surprised, स्वामी सत्यदेव means Swami Satyadev, मनसि अकुप्यत. मनसि means in the mind and akupyata means got angry. Let me see Gandhi Mahodayasya Adesham. Adesham means here we will take instruction or order. Shrutva आश्चर्यान्वितः surprised, Swami Satyadev मनसि in the mind and akupyata. Akupyata means got angry. किंतु स गांधी महोदयस्य पुरतः निजरोषं न प्राकटयत. किंतु means but, सह means he, गांधी महोदयस्य of Mahatma Gandhi, पुरतः means before, निजरोषं means his own anger, न प्राकटयत. न प्राकटयत means did not show. पुरतः and Nijrosha, his own, Rosh means anger, his own anger, na prakatyata, do not show, or did not show. So we have seen that Mahatma Gandhi has instructed Swami Satyadev to give up your saffron clothes and then only you can enter in the ashram. Now having heard Mahatma Gandhi's words or instruction, Swami Satyadeva, who was surprised and got angry in his mind, as well as he got angry in his mind, but he did not represent or express his anger in front of Mahatma Gandhi. So we have seen that Mahatma Gandhi has accepted the proposal of Swami Satyadev. He said, Mahatma Gandhi said that fine, you are welcome here. Further he says, this ashrama is surely yours, but before entering into the ashram, giving up your saffron cloth, and this should be done by you. Now having heard Mahatma Gandhi's instruction, Swami Satyadeva was surprised and got angry in his mind, but he did not show his anger in front of Mahatma Gandhi. In front of Mahatma Gandhi, he did not express his anger. Tyagah. Katham means why, and Kashayana Vastrana means of saffron clothes. Tyagah. Tyagah means giving up. So Katham means why, Kashan Vastrana Tyagam, giving up saffron clothes, and Kashan Vastranam ko aparadham. Kashan Vastranam ko aparadham. What is the fault of saffron clothes? What is the fault of saffron clothes? Further it says aham sannyasi janah. Aham sannyasi janah. And he says that I am sannyasi. Sannyasi jana kashan vastrani paridharyanti. Sannyasi means sannyasis. Kashan vastrani, saffron clothes. Paridharyanti. Paridharyanti means wears. Aham kashan vastram tyagam kartum katham pravutta bhavami. Aham means I. Kashan vastrana of the saffron clothes. Tyagam means to giving up. Kartum means to do. Katham means how. Katham means how. Here we will take it as how. Pravritto. Pravritto means to be ready, and bhavami. Now, hearing the heart, hearing the words, the instruction of Mahatma Gandhi, the Swami Satyadeva was surprised. Not only that, but he got angry in his mind, but he did not express his anger in front of Mahatma Gandhi. Not only that, but he said, why should I give up the saffron cloth? I am a person who has taken a vow of sannyas. I am a person who has taken a vow of sannyas. The sannyasis wear the saffron clothes. The sannyasis wear the saffron clothes. Now how am I to be ready to give up the saffron clothes? This question he has asked to Mahatma Gandhi, that how am I to be ready to give up my saffron clothes? So students, here we have seen chapter number 8, Kashayana Ko Aparadha. Chapter number 8, Kashayana Ko Aparadha. What is the fault of saffron clothes? In this video, we have seen the introduction and beginning of the lesson. The remaining part of the lesson we will see in the next video. Now you may note down the words in your notebook.